I'll do is take this one and grind it on my little grinding wheel over there. That's actually turning out to be a pretty good grinding wheel. I don't know if y'all remember when I bought that and mounted it on that chair over there. Lots of times you can get these cheap Chinese grinders and they don't have enough motor power to grind anything. You go and hit them, put a piece of metal on there and try to grind it and they'll stop. You don't have enough power to keep the wheel turning when you're trying to grind. That one there must be an older one and a good one with a decent motor. All my tools is kind of piling up here. Let's see if we can get this thing turned down in there. I noticed that when I put this fluid in here, it goes down in there, which means that it's open. But I don't want to trust that. I'd rather get it out so that I can blow through it and make sure that I'm getting enough stuff going through it, because it's a lot to put one of these back together and put it back on there, and to have it not be right would be highly disappointing. I might need a fatter one than this. I might have to grind another one. I may try putting that together as it is. And I am getting the stuff to pass through it pretty well. Blowing out air passages, things like that, seems to be working pretty good. You can see when I put this in here, it runs through and comes out where it's supposed to. I got one more valve I haven't taken out. That's this one. This is a kind of like an idle screw valve, I guess is what you call that. Take my screwdriver collection there. And I want to count the turns on this when I take it out. And there's not a mark on here, so I'm going to need to kind of have a good idea of where a starting point is. What I'll do is I'll turn it in first, see how far it takes it to close down and come back. So from right there, I would say that was 2 1/4 turns. Am I wrong? No, I probably am. It's probably 1 3/4. I may have started it. No, it'd be 2 1/4. So I think 2 1/4 turns from the bottom is where I need to be with that. So I'm going to ease that out. We're just going to clean up whatever's inside of there. It's got another little needle valve there, and it does similar to what all the others do. It basically that regulates how much gas can pass through this thing in certain areas. Stuff is passing through it. So I'm going to blow all this out. I think I might just try putting it back together and see if it'll run.